Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today, I'll be showing you how to make a simple avocado toast. I hope you like it. These are the ingredients: 1 tomato, 1 red onion, lemon juice, avocado, 2 bread slices that have been toasted, and boiled eggs, of course. And I start off by mashing the avocado. And I realized that using the potato masher works better as compared to using a fork. But if you do not have a potato masher, just use whatever you've got at hand. And then after mashing the avocado, start adding the other ingredients. Add the tomatoes, add the onions, and whatever other ingredients that you would like to add to your salad. Then add the lemon juice and the spices that you would love. I added black pepper and I added salt. But don't feel limited, use whatever spices you would like. And this is more like a guacamole salad, like you can see. Give it a good mix, ensuring that the ingredients and the spices come together and it's ready for the next step. Now here it's time to assemble the toast. Start off by spreading some amount of the salad that you just made on the toast. Be generous with your salad, but of course you can add less if you do not like a lot of salad on the toast, but more is better. And then now place the boiled eggs onto the salad, onto the toast, and you can top with whatever spices you like at this point. Again, I added more black pepper, and for the eggs, you can add more eggs or less depending on what you like and what you love. You realize that for this salad, just be creative and also don't limit yourself to what I have shown here. You can use whatever you have at hand. You can add more, you can subtract whatever you do not have, and it is going to be amazing. It is a simple breakfast recipe. I hope you try it out and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider doing so. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time and I hope to see you guys on my next video, and I wish you all